welcome back to the English online classes. I am Asha, your English teacher. How are you students? Are you fine? Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about grammar. What was the topic? Yes, adjective. What's another name of adjective? Describing words. So the words which describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing that we can call adjective. And the words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjective. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells and sounds like. So children, yesterday we have discussed one of the textual activity and today let us discuss one more textual activity and the vocabulary session. So look at the board. Here they are given some words in the bracket. First one is called. Second one green. Third one round. Fourth one tall. And fifth one sharp. From these words we need to use the correct words to complete these sentences. First one they have already completed. A leaf is, what's the color? Yes, green. And second one, an ice cream is dash. Which adjective we can use here? An ice cream is cold. Yes. An ice cream is cold. Third one, a ball is dash. What is the shape of the ball? Yes, round. So here it shows the shape of the noun. So a ball is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. And fourth one, a giraffe is dash. A giraffe is dash. What's the size of giraffe? Yes, tall. So a giraffe is tall. We can write here tall. T-A-L-L, tall. And the last one, a knife is dash. A knife is dash. How is a knife? Yes, a knife is sharp. A knife is sharp. What is the spelling of sharp? S-H-A-R-P. So children, a leaf is green. Shows the color. Second one, an ice cream is cold. It shows the feeling. And third one, a ball is round. It shows the shape. Fourth one, a giraffe is tall. It shows the size of the giraffe. And the last one, a knife is sharp. So children, you should complete this exercise in your textbook, page number 70. See, look at the words. First one, we can see some words here. The first word is rainbow. Second word is butterfly. And third one is shoemaker. And fourth one is workshop. So children, can you find any two short words from the word rainbow? Yes, rain plus bow. Can we write like that? Rain plus bow. R-A-I-N, rain plus bow. It joined together and it formed the new word rainbow. And second one, butterfly. Can you find any two short words from the word butterfly? Yes, butter plus fly. Butter plus fly. F-L-Y, fly. So, we join the words butter plus fly, we will get a new long word that is butterfly. And the third one is shoemaker. Yes, shoe plus maker. So, it joined together and it form a new word that is shoemaker. So, we can write the two short words like this. Shoe plus maker, shoemaker. And fourth one, workshop. Can you find any two short words from this word workshop? Yes, work plus shop, that is workshop. We can write work plus shop, S-H-O-P, shop. When we join these two short words together, we will get the new word workshop. So rainbow, rain plus bow. Then second one, butterfly, butter plus fly. Third one, shoemaker, shoe plus maker. Workshop, work plus shop. we join any two short words together, we will get a new long word. Such words we can call compound words. What can we call? Compound words. We can see some more examples to clear the topic. Compound words. When we add two short words together, we will get a new long word. Such words we can call compound words. See, look at the board. We can see some words in the brackets. The first one is fish. Second one, line. Then fly, fruit, man, fire, flower. So, we can add some words with these words to form a compound word. First one is sun plus dash equal to dash. Which word we can write here? Yes, sun plus flower. Sun plus flower. Here can you see the word flower? Yes, sun plus flower forms the word sunflower. Next one, snow plus dash equal to dash. Snow plus, yes, man. Snow plus man, it forms the word snowman. Is it right, children? Yes. Third one, camp plus dash equal to dash. Camp plus dash. Which word we can use here? Yes, camp plus fire. Camp plus fire, it forms the word campfire. It forms the word campfire. And the next one, fire plus dash equal to dash. That we studied from our fourth chapter, how the firefly got its light. So, fire plus dash. Yes, we can use the word fly. Fire plus fly, it forms the word firefly. F-I-R-E-F-L-Y, firefly. And the fifth one, jelly plus dash. Jelly plus dash equal to dash. Which word we can use there? Yes, fish. Jelly plus fish. F-I-S-H. Jelly plus fish, it forms the new word jellyfish. The word, yes, jellyfish. And sixth one, grape plus dash equal to dash. Yes, grape plus fruit. Grape plus fruit. F-R-U-I-T. It forms the new word grapefruit. G-R-A-P-E-F-R-U-I-T. Grapefruit. And the last one, sky plus dash equal to dash. Yes, sky plus line. L-I-N-E. Sky plus line equal to. It forms the word skyline. Sky plus line, it forms the word skyline. So first word, sun plus flower, it forms the new word sunflower. Second one, snow plus man, it forms the word snowman. Third one, camp plus fire, campfire. Fourth one, fire plus fly, firefly. Fifth one, jelly plus fish, jellyfish. Sixth one, grape plus fruit, grapefruit. And the last one, sky plus line, skyline. So children, these type of words we can call compound words. So what do you mean by compound word? Yes, when we join any two short words, we will get a new meaningful long word. Such words we can call compound words. Next, we can discuss the textual activity from page number 18, the vocabulary session. So, children, please take the page.
Vocabulary. Look at these words. Shoe plus maker. It forms the word shoemaker. Next one. Work plus shop. It forms the word workshop. We can join two short words to make a new long word. Look at these pictures and write the words they form. Here they are given some pictures and using that pictures we need to make the compound words. Look at the first picture. Paint plus brush. The first picture is paint and the second one is brush. It forms the new word paintbrush. Second one, the first picture is a basket and the second one is a ball. So basket plus ball, it forms the word basketball. Third one, the first picture is a sun and the second picture is a flower. So sun plus flower, it forms the word sunflower. Fourth one, the first picture is a cup and the second picture is a board. So cup plus board, it forms the word cupboard. Fifth one, the first picture is rain and the second one is bow. It forms the word rain plus bow. It forms a word rainbow. So children, you should complete this exercise. First one is paintbrush. Second one is basketball. Third one is sunflower. Fourth one is cupboard. And fifth one is rainbow.
So today we have discussed one more textual activity regarding adjective and the vocabulary session. So children, you should complete the textual activity and do the worksheet. We can meet in the next classroom.